Get an ultra-compact cutting solution for plywood, drywall, and more. With the 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless 3 3/8" circular saw kit, the slide-style lithium-ion battery, and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity. The efficient Makita-built motor is engineered for faster cutting. The 3 3/8" blade has a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, with a tilting base for accurate bevel cuts. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. It's ideal for quicker cutting and for jobs that take you into tight spaces. For added convenience, the slide-style battery includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.
Many drill presses require manual adjustments in order to change from one speed to another. Use the following simple steps to adjust your drill press's speed to your workpiece's needs. In this example, we will demonstrate using the Wen 8-inch 5-speed drill press. This particular Wen drill press includes a guide to help determine the right RPM for your project. For safety purposes, unplug your drill press from the wall before you get started. We don't want anyone losing a finger, now do we? Step 1. Open your drill press and loosen the belt using the knob and latch located on the side of the drill press. Once the motor has shifted backwards, the belt will be loose enough to move around. Step 2. To change the speed, simply slip your finger under the loosened belt and gently pull to the desired level while rotating the pulleys. Step 3. After the belt has been put into place, use the side knob and latch to secure the motor and tighten the belt. Make sure to close the lid before plugging the machine back in. And that's how you manually adjust your drill press to the correct speed.
As a do-it-yourselfer, you know that prying things apart is a very common task. No doubt, you also found that it's important to have the right tool for the job. These are some of the prying tools that have proven most useful to me in the past. Now, I'm going to add another. It's called the trim puller, and that's exactly what it excels at doing. The trim puller by Zenith Industries was designed to remove wood trim without damaging either the wood or the walls. The ground bevel on the edge allows the tool to be easily driven between the trim and wall. The integrated center wedge then continues to separate the materials. In some cases, this wedging action alone is enough to complete the job. The trim puller is designed to be leveraged side to side. Because of the wide contact area and greater leveraging effect, trim removal goes faster while wall surfaces remain undamaged. The tool quickly, easily, and safely removes shoe molding, baseboard, chair railing, and door casings. It's ideally suited for lifting carpet tack strip and edging. The trim puller can also be used for prying off molding from decorative panels or doors without the risk of damaging either. It's also quite effective at removing ceramic tile. The integrated center wedge, combined with the tool's wide surface area, enable it to quickly pop tile away from the surface beneath. The trim puller can be used as a temporary shim when leveling base cabinets, or for prying off cabinet countertops that have been glued or nailed in place. It even comes in handy when replacing damaged floor planks. Removing shoe molding, baseboards, chair railing, door casing, carpet strips, tile, and more. It's always impressive when a single tool can do so many things so well.
Introducing the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp Pro, an all-in-one package that'll revolutionize the way you work with wood. It includes 2 dovetail clamps, a setup gauge, the all-new Dovetail hardware variety pack, and the specially designed MATCHFIT Dovetail router bit with built-in roundovers for cleaner cuts and less sanding. Everything you need to create your own tracks and make every inch of your shop more functional. Use the setup gauge to quickly dial in the Dovetail router bit's cutting depth and route grooves to experience the full range of functionality and versatility of the Dovetail clamps and Dovetail hardware. They move through the grooves below the surface, allowing you to secure material anywhere you can route a groove. The MATCHFIT system gives you all the functionality of T-Track and T-Track accessories at a fraction of the cost. Whether you need a quick one-time use jig or a permanent shop fixture, the Dovetail Clamp Pro makes it easy. Join the thousands of woodworkers who are already working smarter with the MATCHFIT system. Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter today with the MATCHFIT Dovetail Clamp Pro. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter. The Gravity Heel Kit is a must-have accessory for your gripper. Its unique patented design is much more than meets the eye. What makes Gravity Heels different? They add a physical heel to your gripper, but conveniently retract mid-board while working with longer stock. There when you need it, out of the way when you don't. The length of the heel can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the knob. Not only does the Gravity Heel help push your workpiece through the cut, it also prevents tear out. They're designed to be cut and serve as a sacrificial backer. This is especially useful when cutting with an aggressive bit on the router table. The profile gets routed into the Gravity Heel, fully supporting the material from the back and preventing it from tearing out at the end of the cut. The Gravity Heel Kit comes with 5 heels and all the necessary hardware. You ready to step up your gripper game? Backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Visit us online at microjig.com to order yours today or find a retailer near you. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter.